Ever wondered why someone said they're feeling under the weather when there's not a cloud in sight? Or why a person bit the bullet without going anywhere near ammunition? Well, you're about to unravel the mystery of these sayings and more. Welcome to a journey through the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. First off, feeling under the weather. This phrase doesn't have anything to do with meteorological conditions. It simply means someone is feeling ill or unwell. So, the next time you have a cold, you can tell your friends you're feeling under the weather. Moving on to bite the bullet. No, it's not a dental exercise. When someone bites the bullet, they decide to face a difficult or unpleasant situation bravely. It's a phrase often used when there's no easy way out of a situation. Ever heard someone say they're on cloud nine? They're not talking about a real cloud, of course. This phrase is used to express extreme happiness or euphoria. If you've just aced an exam or received a promotion, you're likely on cloud nine. Next up, the ball is in your court. This phrase might sound like it's straight out of a tennis match, but it's actually used to indicate that it's your turn to take action or make a decision. If someone says this to you, they're waiting for your response. Then there's pulling someone's leg. Despite how it sounds, this doesn't involve any physical pulling. If you're pulling someone's leg, you're teasing them or joking around. And finally, the last straw. No, it's not about a missing drinking straw. It means the final problem or difficulty that makes a situation unbearable. It's usually used in the context of a series of escalating problems. To recap, we've demystified some intriguing English idioms and phrases. Feeling under the weather means feeling ill. Bite the bullet means to face a difficult situation bravely. On cloud nine is to be extremely happy. The ball is in your court means it's your turn to act. Pulling someone's leg is to tease or joke, and the last straw is the final problem in a series of escalating problems. These idioms and phrases add color and depth to conversations, making English a vibrant and expressive language. So go ahead, sprinkle these idioms into your daily chats and watch your conversations come alive. Until next time, keep exploring the endless beauty of the English language.